The word experience implies a story. Like an experience is like a story is an experience. An experience is a story. And I think what traditional marketing does, and for so long, it's just how do we take the experience out of it and just distill it down to blah, 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 and fastest turnaround time and excellent support and like all this, buy now garbage. And what's happened is we've all evolved beyond that, right? We don't even have commercials anymore. And yet the marketing copy, etc., hasn't necessarily. So the customer experience is a built-in story. Like that is, and you can pull from their experiences and share a much more vivid imagery, that's kind of redundant, but like if you're trying to market something that they can only experience in their minds until they actually experience it, then you need to be drawing on the stories of previous experience.